Royal Botanic Gardens, Victoria, is located in Melbourne, Australia, right in the heart of the city. They were established in 1846 and they were designed in an amazing garden-esque way where the plants really take precedence. We sit at about 38 hectares. We have about 23 plant collections on site, 1.3 kilometres of hedges and 16 kilometres of edges. And there's incredible diversity from Australia to Southern Hemisphere plants, Northern Hemisphere. It's a representation really of the world. My background really is in amenity horticulture, and that's what I studied at Melbourne University, and I've worked at the gardens for 23 years. We have around 21 horticulturalists. We maintain the landscape as you see it, so all the living plant collections, the integral part of the design is what our day-to-day job involves. Curation of the plants to ensure that they're healthy, pest and disease management. You're always looking to maintain the landscape and improve the amenity. Trees fall over, plants die, and as part of our curation, really we need to maintain that aesthetic and keep the space interesting. When you work in such an amazing landscape with such great diversity, you get to appreciate the little nuances and the little bits of beauty in every day. My name's Matt Howard. I'm Team Leader Garden South at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Victoria.